All right, so last week was our first building session with the drone. So we took everything off and we were left with the frame, the motors, the propellers, and the ESCs already pre-built. And then we attached our own Pixhawk module right here. We connected the GPS to the Pixhawk. We also connected the buzzer and the safety switch right here. And then we also connected the power module, which is right here, and that's going to get the battery life, the current voltage, and current input from the battery. And then I think we organized all of the wires so it's really neatly put on the drone. Um, each wire we velcroed onto the frame, and it corresponds to which motor slash propeller it's connected to. So it's really easy for us to see what it's connected to. 5, 4, 3. That's what we did last week.
So then, this week the LiPo battery came in, and also this Spectrum DSMX, which we're not actually completely sure what it does. We think it has something to do with acquiring satellite signal, but we're gonna ask Daiwan about it. So as you can see, what else we did? So our main focus this week was actually on the Mission Planner software. So let me just pull this up here. So this is Mission Planner running on my computer. It'll show if GPS was working, it would show the location of where our drone is, and it also has the like what the head-up display that the drone sees, and it tells you like altitude, ground speed, yaw, vertical speed, and all that stuff. So what we figured out this week was that we configured our ground station to be completely isolated from the drone. It communicates the drone via this ground station module here, and on our drone also has the complementary receiver module here. So now our drone is completely isolated from the laptop. There's nothing connecting this drone to any laptop or anything. And what we can show is we can actually connect our drone wirelessly by first giving it power through the battery. So right now, as you can see, the receiver module is now flashing, indicating that it's transmitting and receiving. And if we were to go back to the laptop, we see that the corresponding module is flashing as well. We can select the appropriate communication port, COM8, and we configure it to 57600 baud rate, and we can connect it. And this indicates that it's currently trying to look for the other receiver, and it's retrieving all the parameters from the drone itself. We'll just let that finish. So now, as you can see, when we varied this drone, you can now see the head up. You can now see the head up display changing. I think we may have reversed one of the axes, because when I tilt this, it actually goes down. But we can always fix calibration later. And also, you can see the other metrics moving as well when I move this drone. So this drone is currently completely disconnected from the computer itself, but we can basically see what it's doing through the Mission Planner. And we have a list of questions to ask Daiwan. Do you have anything?
Yeah,
Yeah.
So we're going to disconnect the drone. So all in all, I think we were able to calibrate it around 75% correctly. We just made a few direction errors, and we plan on calibrating on the ground next time. And then we are going to figure out what this does, and we're going to connect it onto the drone, and hopefully we will have a simple autonomous flight coming up soon. Cool. That's an update.